Good afternoon, I'm Kaylee from Inspired to Sew, and I'm here to show you some of my favorite features on the Bernina 570 Tula Pink Edition. So the first thing to show you is the jumbo bobbin. You'll see it is a very large bobbin. It holds 70% more thread than a standard bobbin, so I can sew a lot longer and further without having to be interrupted by having to wind a bobbin again. And there's also a bobbin sensor, so it will let me know when that actually does finally run out. My next favorite feature is the integrated dual feed system. So I put a foot on already. That's designed to use with this system, and all I do is pull it down, very easy on the back of the machine. And what it will do is, as I'm working with trickier fabrics or just piecing cotton together, it's going to help feed my fabric along at a nice even pace. So I really like this to work with a little bit trickier fabrics. I think it does a nice job. And the last feature that I'll tell you about today is the throat space. So you'll see there is 8.5 inches of throat space between the machine and the needle. Gives me a lot of space to do quilting, embroidery, and other sewing projects. And a nice large screen to see what we're doing. And as you're adjusting the stitches, I really like also that you can move it up or down and it will show me on the screen what my stitch will look like. So I don't have to even guess how big of the stitches that I will be. When you get a Bernina machine 570, you will have an option of choosing either a large Rossetti table, extension table to make your surface even bigger, or a ruler work kit. So we have a new one in a box for you to take home and get sewing.